10 divided by 10,000. Look, here 10,000 is a divisor. 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, these are called power of 10. 10 to the power 4 means 10,000. Of course, positive. To divide a whole number by power of 10, just count the number of zeros in the power of 10 and move the decimal point right to left equal to the number of zeros. So here you need to move decimal point 4 places from right to left, because this power of 10 number has 4 zeros. This is the whole number, so first decimal point will appear here, then 1 place, 2 place, placeholder 0, 3 place, placeholder 0, 4 place. So we are getting decimal 0010. Okay, you can write here one more 0 to mean that this is less than 1. So 0.001, this is the result.